Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Narissa and today I created this makeup look and I can't wait to share with you how I did it. So this tutorial is going to be a little different because I actually am not starting with my foundation first. Normally I start with my foundation. I just used the e.l.f. eye primer on my eyes. And as you see, I'm blending it with my fingers. I haven't quite decided like exactly what colors I'm going to use, but I feel like I'm going to use this palette here, which you've seen me use before. And I feel really drawn to this black eyeshadow pencil. So we're going to see, what I'm going to create. Okay, so the first color I'm going to use is actually going to be this purple color. Okay. I want to... Okay. Okay. Okay, this is LA Colors. Okay, so for future reference, so you all know, this isn't doing anything. It's not going on top. So I'm going to try the other side. I'm going to try the eyeliner side. Okay, yeah, if you want this to work, sorry, I have the sniffles. You're not, yeah. This is what the eyeshadow looks like. I just swatched the eyeshadow. This is what the eyeliner looks like. So the only thing you can see is the eyeliner. So if you want to use this pencil, the eyeshadow doesn't have any real color payoff. So just reference if you wanted to know. But I am going to use the eyeliner side. And this is one thing that I will definitely say, like, when it comes to color payoff, that's really important to me. Especially when it comes to putting on eyeshadow. Okay, so I used the eyeliner and I just made this like my actual lid darker, and then I went in with my why am I drawing a blank? I went in with my brush, and the color I'm actually mixed with this is the color Muddy from the Morphe Second Nature palette. So that's the color that I'm using. So I'm just basically putting that on top of the liner itself. Okay, I'm gonna go in and blend some more. Okay, that's what it looks like so far. The next color I'm actually going to put on top of the black is going to be this color right here. But I just want a little shimmer. I don't want a whole lot. Okay, so that's the eye look so far. Next, I'm going to actually go ahead and put on my foundation, and then I'll fill in my eyebrows, put on my lashes, and then this makeup look will start to come together. So I'm using the Dream Liquid Mousse Foundation in the color 120 Caramel. I have started to get a little lighter, so I lightened up my foundation shades. So remember that, you know, depending on the season, that is going to dictate what color foundation that you should be using. During the colder months, unless you live in an area that's really sunny and you just get sun all the time, during the colder months, your makeup will be, your foundation will be lighter. And then when it's warm, or you know, you've been traveling a lot to like warm sunny areas, then your foundation will be darker. Ooh, child. My eyebrows look out of control, y'all. Ooh, wee, let's see. Okay, next I am going to use my Black Opal Heavenly Honey Conceal for my highlight. I'm going to try to be a little light-handed with it today. We'll see how that works out. I bet you all are like, she's putting dots on her face. I said I was going to try to be light-handed, y'all. Try. Now, what I will say with this is very thick. This concealer is very thick. So a little bit goes a very long way. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and put on my lashes off camera. And I'm going to use, these are definitely two different colors, but they have the exact same name on the back, so. This is more golden and this. So I'm going to use both of them. And they're both called Flawless. So. I'm not going to use as much of this because it is so gold. But I'm going to put that like right on top of my blush. Yeah. Okay, next I'm going to use the lip liner in the color Chestnut. This is, well, actually I think I'm going to use Willow. Okay. Yeah, I'm actually going to use Willow. Oh. This is oops. This is my Wet n Wild pencil in the color Willow, and I'm going to use it to line my lips. And I'm going to use my lipstick in the color Quickie. And then I'm going to go back over again and just like that. Ooh. That bang's a little out of control, y'all. Okay, but just like that, this is today's completed makeup look. So I hope that you enjoyed today's tutorial. Please don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Narissa Explains It All. Also, like, share, and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every single time I upload something amazing. And I can't wait to see you again very soon. Bye.